Here's Mr. Charlie Clark. 1, 2, 3. One more time for Mr. Clark. 1, 2, 3.
How we doing? So, if your mind again can conceive it, say it with me. If your mind can conceive it and you believe it, you can achieve it. Belief is everything. You believe in God, you believe in yourself, you can't lose. You know why? Because belief is everything. Once you get a little bit of doubt in there, sometimes you can fail a little bit, right? You gotta have faith in yourself and faith in God. You will make it. You will make it. That's the strength that you have. Nobody can touch you. You guys have some really great core principles here that I have not seen at every place I've gone. I can be honest, this is very, very promising. I love it. And you guys are awesome. I'm gonna try to set up a deal where if you guys want to visit my business, we'll set it up with the teachers where we can give you a tour and you can see all the cars and you can see the electric cars, the new technology. We can have a fun day for you there. We can even have pizzas for you. But that's on cheat day. That's only on cheat day. Y'all are my people. Y'all are my family now, so we're going to set up a day where y'all can come over and have a lot of fun on a Saturday, okay? Thank you all very much.
Nana Pau Pau.
Charlie Clark Hyundai.
Amén.
También hablamos inglés.